All right, let's dive right into this. OpenAI's latest release, the O1 model family, is turning heads. It's not just another version of ChatGPT-4o. This one is actually designed to slow down, reason through problems, and here's the key: give better and more accurate responses. And trust me, this is an absolute game changer. All right, so let's take this example, decoding a cipher. When you give ChatGPT-4o a complex puzzle, it fires back a response trying to be helpful, but the O1 model, it breaks the problem down step by step using something called the chain of thought reasoning. Rather than throwing out a half-baked answer, it processes the prompt in stages, which leads to a much more accurate response. So what exactly is OpenAI O1? The O1 models are built on the same foundation as ChatGPT-4o. Think transformers, neural networks, and all that good stuff, but it has one really big twist. So the O1 models are designed to excel at complex tasks that need logical reasoning. So that name might sound like it's reset, the O1, almost like we're back to square one, but this could be the beginning of something huge. While the full O1 model isn't available yet, OpenAI has released a preview version along with a faster O1 mini. These models integrate chain of thought reasoning, directly allowing them to break down problems and work through them logically before giving you an answer. You can see here's O1 mini, and then here is O1 preview. O1 mini is just a bit faster at the reasoning capabilities instead of taking so much time as O1 preview. Right now we've got three models: OpenAI O1, the big one that's still under wraps, OpenAI O1 preview, which is accessible through ChatGPT Plus and the API, and then OpenAI O1 mini, a faster, more nimble version when speed is the priority. So you could see here a breakdown that ChatGPT or that OpenAI gives us on this blog here. You could see the difference in the performance. So ChatGPT-4o, when it comes to competition math, is at 13.4% accuracy, whereas O1 preview is at 56.7%, and the OpenAI O1 model is at 83.3%. So the discrepancy in the accuracy here is absolutely unreal, and this is really going to be a game changer for the future of AI. Not only is O1 and O1 preview blowing GPT-4o out of the water in competition math, but looking at competition code and PhD level science questions, it is also blowing it out of the water. You could see the competition code, GPT-4o is at 11% percentile, whereas O1 is at 62%, and O1 is at 89% percentile when it comes to competition code. But here is where things get really interesting. So despite its stellar performance in areas like math and coding, O1 isn't a clear winner across the board. In fact, for tasks like personal writing or editing text, human testers slightly preferred ChatGPT-4o, so O1 might not be the best option if you're focused on everyday creative tasks. And let's not forget the price tag. So GPT-4o is already fairly expensive at $5 per million input tokens and $15 for output. But O1, you're looking at $15 per million input tokens and a whopping $60 for output. Even the O1 mini is pricier than ChatGPT-4o, so if you don't need that logical horsepower, it's a steep cost for a very little benefit. So now for the big question, is OpenAI O1 worth it? Well, if you're tackling complex challenges that stump other AI models, yes, absolutely. O1 is designed to excel at logical reasoning, decoding, and problem solving. But if you're using AI for creative tasks for something less demanding, you're probably better off sticking with GPT-4o at this point in time, especially with the given cost. And here's a fun example. When we asked ChatGPT-4o mini how to travel to Spain, it got the basic math wrong. Yeah, it suggested swimming might take longer than flying, but it couldn't quite figure out which option was faster. O1 preview, on the other hand, nailed it, not just by understanding the math, but also realizing that swimming isn't necessarily a practical way to get there or safe way to get there. Right now, you could test OpenAI O1 preview and O1 mini if you're a ChatGPT Plus or Team subscriber. You get a limited number of messages per week, but that might change soon. And if you're looking to integrate into your workflows, tools like Zapier make it extremely easy just to do that. OpenAI O1 is an exciting development, especially if you're working on tasks that need more logical and raw creativity. It's not for everybody, and it's definitely not cheap, but it represents a massive leap forward in AI reasoning.